Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Without wasting any more time, let's analyze gold. So today we're gonna start by analyzing gold and then move to US30. So as you all know, I always start from identifying my zones there, my highest zone and the lowest zones. So this is the lowest zones that gold has been on, and then I'm going to also analyze this one, just identifying these zones where the market has been bouncing. So I just want to do this quickly so that we can see where you can get your entries basically. So these lines will be helping us to get our entries. So this is another zone where the market has been bouncing there and give us a big movement. So bounce here, gave us a big movement, bounced here again and gave us a big movement, and then here again gave us a big movement. I think that's a lot of lines for D1. So we're gonna move to D4, I mean H4, and see what we are seeing on the H4 chart. So what do we see on the H4 chart? So I just want to show you guys this. I only analyzed this thing right now, so I haven't analyzed this chart before. So I want you to see how simple this thing is before how I analyze this thing. So this thing is very simple. So once you know the process of how to basically see all these lines that I'm drawing and identifying the trends where the market is pushing and turning, it's going to be more simple for you. So basically right now what I'm seeing is that I'm seeing this big trend. So this is the big trend. So we're seeing we touched it one, two, three. So we only touched it three times. So I can just basically say, okay, we touched it from there. Maybe we can say that's one, and then that's two. So the third time it's the it's a reversal. So the third time there it should be a reversal. So that's the biggest point. I mean that's the biggest picture at the moment. So if the biggest picture we are seeing this huge trend here touching three times or two times. Okay, let's just say it touched two times at at the moment. It's a bigger time frame, a 4 hour. So we only touch one, two, three. So the third time we're gonna be expecting a reversal here on this zone. So make sure when the market hit this zone, you expect a reversal. But nonetheless, that's too far. You can't be waiting for the market to get to this point before you trade. So let's look for more opportunities. So how do you get to look for more opportunities? I'm going to just zoom in my chart and just see, okay, what do I see at the moment? I'm just going to specify this thing as my highest point for H4, and then this is going to be my lowest point for H4 as well. So we saw again the market bouncing on this level as well, giving us a big movement. I think that was news. And then from there, I'm seeing a trend inside a trend. So this is what I'm going to do. Just draw this line here. So what we are looking at right now. So I just want to break down this market so that you see how simple it is, eh, guys? So what we've been seeing right now is that we're seeing a rising wedge here. Basically, first point that we have, right? Second point that we have, and then we don't have the third point. So basically, it means we need to look for our buys here. Remember, our overall structure says we need to reach that buying zone, selling zone up here. So right now on this chart, we're going to be looking at our buying opportunities. Where are we going to buy gold? Where are we going to start buying gold? So if you see the market coming up to this level, to this zone here. So meaning it's going to be our third touch zone here. So if you see the market coming up to this zone here, it's giving us the third touch, and then but you need to make sure that if you see a breakout is going to be a sell, maybe we're gonna fall back to the same low that we had before. But if we see reversal candles coming in here, we know that we're gonna touch it and then continue pushing up to the upside, and then we're gonna be reaching our target there where we need to put ourselves on there on the higher time frame there. So, but in a short term, immediate short term, let's look for buys on gold. So, because we're going to be looking at this thing bouncing here and then going up there. So, let's not close it here. We can even go to H1 and see what we're going to be seeing here on H1. What do we see? Okay, same thing that we've been seeing with H4. I'm just going to draw this line. We're seeing a bounce there as well. So it's going to be a lot of lines once you're done analyzing, guys. But I'm just doing this so that you can understand how to analyze the chart from top down, bottom down, and understand what's happening. So I'm seeing something nicely here for gold. So we're seeing this zone here, right? So you need to have a lot of confirmation before you start something, guys. So this is the zone that I said you need to start buying, right? So we're seeing another one here. It was a zone that that was broken out, being retested, and then we must expect gold to run from there. So, but right now, if we don't see, so you need to have scenarios there when you analyze your charts, guys, right? So if you see this market doing something like this, and then it breaks below this zone, meaning your your buying opportunity needs to be here because it's below this zone and there's the trend line that we need to look out for. But once you see a breakout below this, then you can expect a very nice sell-off then from there. So, but our overall trend, the trend is your friend. Don't ever go against the trend. So our overall trend says, okay, we need to look for buys so that we can go to the top side before we start selling. So the overall trend is there. So we touched one, two, waiting for touch number three. But as you can see, that the neckline was broken, came back, retested, and then continuing up. But I know they're going to break it down here just to try to take out everyone who put in some long positions here, and then now they move stop loss to entry points. They want to come back for them, and then also trying to touch this zone here before they even move up. So this is the analysis for gold. I'm going to go to the lowest time frame as well. I think it still looks good. Still looks good. Still looks good. You can use this um, as your nice setup. So when we're looking at gold, this is a very nice trend inside a trend, right? So as you can see, this trend has been broken. So meaning if you're a scalper this time right now, we're looking for scalpers, right? So if you're a scalper, we're seeing a triangle being broken out right now at this moment, right? So if you are a scalper, you can enter your cells here, but how long? How am I going to calculate the target for this cell? So this is a small cell, guys. So the target for this cell is from this. So what I always do when I calculate my target is that I always put my line from the start of my triangle or start of my trend to the end of my trend, and then I take that out, put it on the breakout where the breakout started. So basically my target will be somewhere here. Look where the target is coming again, guys. You need to understand what I'm doing here, and then this will give you a confirmation that okay, guys, our target is basically next to the trend line of the touch number three. So meaning touch number three is confirmed that once it touches here, we need to see a reversal or continuation to the upside. I don't know if you understand me, guys. So this is basically what I'm seeing at the moment. Let me know on the comment section. Yeah, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video, guys, with your friends. And then I'll be sending and recording a lot of analysis with you guys. So back at it. This is basically what we're seeing. So our TP for this small cell. Okay, my mouse just jammed. I don't know. Okay, I need to trade in, buy another mouse. So yeah. So basically, this is what we have. I need to move to maybe US30. Let's just move to 15 minutes before I move to US30. Give me a second before. I don't want to. I just want to see what's wrong with this mouse. Let me just change this mouse and put another one. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. I'm just gonna be putting a new mouse. Put it here. There we go. So yeah, I'm a trader. I should have a lot of mouses. If the other one, the battery is dead, so I have to change and put another one. So basically, as I just showed you here, this is our target from this breakout. So we're seeing a breakout from the a smaller triangle, 15-minute chart, same triangle that I'm seeing here. Starts from here and then touched one, two, three, and then the fourth point broke out. On the top side, touched one, two, and then it didn't come back here. But right now, we're seeing a very nice sell here. This is the immediate short term if you want to scalp. So basically, there you put your you put your line from the start of the triangle to the end of the triangle, and then on the breakout, that's where your TP is going to be. So meaning our TP hits the trend line exactly where it is. So you're seeing our trend line here, the one that we drew. So this is where we said we need to be looking for our buys. So once the trend line on this zone hits this, even if it hits it somewhere here or here, we know it's on the trend line. Just look for buys somewhere there, and then that's it. So basically, 5 minutes chart as well. That's the same thing. That's basically gold as far as I'm concerned. So I'm just going to leave this all this shape the way they are, and then we're gonna see how this thing played out. Maybe after a few days or one day, and then I'll let you know how it went. So basically, this is I'm just going to delete this. So because this is basically what I'm looking at. Looking at, I'm going to hit my trend line, and then from the trend line, come back to this level, and then I'll start buying from that level. So hopefully this line doesn't confuse you so much. So, but yeah, if you started with me, you will understand why we did all these lines, how we get to our target. So moving back to US30. Let's see US30, guys. I've analyzed US30, guys. I was busy talking to my brother right now. So saying I'm seeing a buy. So already I've analyzed it. I took a position. Already I see. So I took a position exactly on this line, guys. Hectic, hectic. So I took a position exactly on this line. It just came and touched it because this is exactly what I'm telling you about gold. Look, I drew a trend line there by gold. So we saw a gold hitting maybe first line. Let me just draw it like this so that I can finish this video quickly. So gold basically did something like this. So this is the first one, and then the second one, I'm just putting these shapes. So this is the second one. So, but on the third touch, guys, the third touch is always the charm, is the one that I like. So it basically gave us a third touch here, but it didn't give us, and it also gave us a nice reversal. But if we were not there, then you didn't take the trade. But I saw we're gonna see another touch there. So on this touch, you can see it's also giving us another entry on this touch. So this is another entry on this touch. And then the way I analyze this thing is that our TP basically it's up there, up there because I've been putting in the lines as well. As you can see, this is our biggest zone. So we are basically um, ranging to go to this level here to touch it for the third time here as well. Same setup that I'm seeing on a USDT is the same setup that I'm seeing on gold. So guys, don't forget, if you like this video, subscribe, like, and yeah, I'll record more of this and then you can get an understanding on how to break down this market. So basically, this is how it works. Let's see how it works because right now I'm expecting USDT to go up and then start going down from this level, and then we're gonna kill it together. Don't forget, guys, we are approaching NFP, and yeah, guys, let's kill this thing together. Before I close out, I need to tell you that Vault Market has blocked my account. I can't trade with them anymore. They said My trading strategy is not allowed on their broker. So hey, where have you heard that before? So this strategy that I'm showing you here, it's not allowed on Vault Market because that's basically what I'm using. I don't have any indicators, nothing. But yeah, guys, that's it from me. I'll see you on another video. Bye bye.